Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and it's going to be my third video or so. Yes, fingers crossed. I'm gonna promise myself to make more and more videos and would be needing your support in that. Yeah. So today is a very special video because this is so trending on Instagram and I was like, why not me also do the same? And it's a Nikaland haul. Yes, the Nikaland haul, which is all viral on all the social media platforms. And yeah, I went to that event and it was an amazing experience, which I'm gonna share it while we are going to do this video. And I've got a lot of stuffs because I don't like to be in the crowd, I don't like to be in the queues, but I did it. I did a very good job. So people will think I've got less stuff, but no, as for me, I've got a lot of stuff and I'm gonna show you each and everything in this video. सो ये नाइकालैंड बहुत ही स्पेशल है मेरे लिए, बहुत ही स्पेशल था मेरे लिए और आई थिंक हमेशा रहेगा, क्योंकि पहला इवेंट हमेशा स्पेशल होता है, वो भी इतना बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे। एक छोटा सा ड्रीम था लास्ट ईयर जब ये मुंबई में हुआ था कि काश मुझे भी एक इनवाइट आए। आई विल ऑल्सो मेक मोर वीडियोज़ एंड शायद मुझे कभी इन्वाइट आए इस इवेंट का। एंड यस, इस इवेंट का इस साल मुझे एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर इनवाइट आया एंड आई वाज so happy that I've got an invite. Not only the invite, it was written that this invite is strictly for influencers. I took a screenshot. I have sent it to everybody I know, those people who are close to me, because it is so special, so special for me that I've got an invite from Nykaa as an influencer. So fingers crossed for future. Are you ready to see how much I've got in one day of Nikaland? You want to see the bags? I can't even hold this. So these are a lot of stuff that I've got from Nykaa. जो ticket मुझे मिला है that was for influencers only. उस ticket में we get unlimited samples. Yes, हम लोग कितने भी samples ले सकते थे वहाँ पे, but there's a but to it because वहाँ पे जो chaos था और वहाँ पे जो queues थी, आप ले ही नहीं सकते सारे सैम्पल्स, या फिर आपको इतना अग्रेसिवली वहाँ पार्टिसिपेट करने पड़ेगा, बट मैं नहीं कर पाई। बट आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट और एट सम प्लेसेस because I was an influencer, I got full size products without standing in the queue, so that was also a very big benefit for me. And I got one brand collaboration too over there with Soulflower. So let's get started. हम लोग अपना हॉल शुरू करते हैं क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया आप लोगों का। एंड लेट मी शो यू what all I have got, and let's get started with this big bag from Soulflower. Yes, I got collaborated with them at the time of the event. We did one live video together and I'm so happy and blessed that I got such a good brand in my hands. So because of being an influencer, actually इतना बड़ा बैग है तो इसमें मैंने और भी ब्रांड्स का सामान रखा हुआ है, but let me show you their product only. I got these two full size products from this brand. Yes, ये है the first one is a rosemary lavender healthy hair oil और इसके बारे में I've got great reviews from the people, and from my own personal review I would say it's a very good brand and the product is really nice. I'm gonna use this a lot. The next one is this is Kumkumadi Night Beauty Elixir Oil, and I've tried this product at the time of my live event. So the product consistency was great. There was a very beautiful mild fragrance to it, and the reviews, what people were saying about this product is amazing, and I'm 100% sure that I'm gonna use this in my night care routine. So let me know if you want an unboxing video of this too. I will do that for you also, and I'll share how to use this product. Yeah. So I got these two products from this in this big bag from there. Next one is the Cetaphil one. So yeah, from Cetaphil I got two products. One is the cleanser and one is the moisturizer. Yeah, so I got two products. As you all know that I am associated with Nykaa as an apper from a long time now. So because I'm an apper and I've been associated with Nykaa, I've got a lot of goodies from them. So this is a very cute bag that they gave me, and इस bag में actually दो products थे majorly, these two. One is a matte to last lipstick, and it's a full size lipstick in cocoa. I love this color. And this is an kajal eyeliner, 36-hour kajal eyeliner from Nykaa. This is also a full size product. And a beautiful picture that they clicked at the time of the event for me at the Nykaa Prive Lounge, to their best selling mist samples. And these are very cute little mini samples which I'm 100% sure I'm going to use during my travels. I travel a lot, so yeah, I crave for the mini products. I love them. I want them all the time because they are very easy to carry and they're very cute. And while you're traveling, you can just use it, and if you want to throw it and you don't want to carry it along with you, it's very easy. So at the Nykaa cosmetics counter, I got these two nail paints in two different, they're slight different shades, not too different, and these two eye mask. So yeah, that's all from Nykaa. लाइट बहुत अच्छी है बट थोड़ी सी गर्मी हो गई है. Yes. So मुझे दो मॉक्सी के मिनी शैम्पूज एंड कंडीशनर्स मिले हैं. So yes, very good for traveling purpose. Then मुझे कुछ परफ्यूम्स के मिले हैं. Rabin, Good Girl and Bad Boy. These are also very mini cute perfumes. Yes, I got two from Lancome too. These are my favorites because I've been using this for a while now. So I love this fragrance and I'm gonna use this a lot. I love the छोटे mini perfumes and I love carrying them. आपके छोटे sling bag में आ जाते हैं, आप travel करते हो तो. One of my favorite, Dolce & Gabbana. Yes, मुझे इनका भी sample मिला है. सिर्फ उन्हीं जगह से सैम्पल्स ले पाई जहाँ पे क्राउड कम था और जहाँ पे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को प्रायोरिटी दी जा रही थी. यस, सो दिस इज देयर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस वनीला फ्रेग्रेंस. सो इसका एक मिनी परफ्यूम मिला है. एंड यस, आई नेवर गॉट एनी मिनी लिपस्टिक वाला सैम्पल एवर अभी तक फ्रॉम सच अ गुड ब्रांड. एंड सी, आई गॉट 3 shades from Dolce & Gabbana. I'm so happy. So next one is a very new Korean brand. I love this brand because, not because मैंने इनके products try किया, but because इन्होंने मुझे क्यों में नहीं लगने दिया because of my influencer tag, and they gave me 2 full size products. It is pronounced as Pyeong Kang Yul, I guess. Yes, if I'm not sure that मैं इसको सही pronounce कर रही हूँ या नहीं. So they gave me 2 full size products, guys. Yes, 2 full size. One is toner and one is moisture barrier cream. So I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna share a review with you guys. Let me know if you need unboxing for this too, please. Next one is very special क्योंकि जैसे कि आप जानते हैं सब लोगों ने Dot & Key का बैग डाला है, बट मेरे को नहीं मिला बिकॉज मैं उतनी बड़ी क्यू में खड़े होने के लिए रेडी ही नहीं थी. Dot & Key के लिए एक क्यू था जो लिटरली इतना लंबा था, मेरे लिए नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल था. बट जब मैं वापस जा रही थी, आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि वहां पे कुछ हो रहा है. इन द एंड, एट द टाइम ऑफ द इवेंट, जब खत्म हो जाता है बिल्कुल एट दैट टाइम वहां पे कुछ हो रहा है. और मैं गई, वहां पे रिबल किड आई हुई थी, अपूर्वा. यस, एंड व्हेन आई वेंट देयर एंड आई जस्ट वेंट इन द फ्रंट, आई डोंट नो हाउ बट आई मैनेज्ड इट समहाउ. सो जब मैं आगे गई एंड शी वाज थ्रोइंग सम गुडीज, देयर न्यू रेंज, द न्यू लॉन्च, आई गॉट द वन. यस, I don't know how, but मेरा कैच बहुत ही अच्छा था, I guess. So इसके अंदर सामान है, इसमें बहुत सारे फुल साइज प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. I'm so happy. So this is Dot & Key का Blueberry Hydrate Sunscreen. इनका Blueberry is a new range that they have launched. This is a Blueberry Barrier Repair Plus Hydrating Gentle Face Wash. Yes, I'm going to use this. And these are 2 moisturizers. One is Ceramides Hyaluronic one, and the second one is Barrier Repair Intense Moisturizer. So I guess this is for extremely dry skin. This is normal to dry skin. Yes. So I've got a lot of full size products from Dot & Key. Thank you. Next one is this very cute bag from Pink Polka. I got one product from them. It's a nipple covers. So the packaging is really cute, and they also gave me some stickers. and a very cute notebook. Yes. So the next one is from 310x. Yes, that 310x. It's a very famous brand these days. Yes. So they have given me this one sample pack of this is a hair mask, this is shampoo, and this is conditioner, and these the sample packs are little big, so I guess I can use it at least twice or thrice. Yeah, so a good thing. Second, they gave me a frizz fighter cream and some and hair serum, the fix one from their range. Yes, two full size products from Minimalist. This is the B12 Repair Complex Moisturizer. I got it too because apparently when I reached there and there were no influencer bags left from me. सब कुछ खत्म हो चुका था, मैं लेट पहुंची थी और मुझे भीड़ में नहीं जाना था. So they gave me two products. It's a good deal. Next one is from Shields or Shills, I would say. So I've got one full size lipstick, matte lipstick from them, and wet wipes. So last, yeah, this is the last one from The Beauty of Joseon. सबको पता है इसमें क्या है क्योंकि सब बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की वीडियोस देख चुके हैं. There's a very cute keychain and a mini sunscreen. So मैं इसमें ऐसे लगा सकती हूँ and I can carry it. And I got two skincare samples. It has sunscreen, moisturizer, and serum. Yeah, 3 products. Yeah. So that's all from Nykaa haul. And I hope you liked my videos. Share your views and like and subscribe. Thank you. See you.